Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring your business manager, ad account, billing, and pixel are all functional. This matters because bidding relies on conversion signals. Next, create a campaign and pick an objective that supports manual bidding like conversions or traffic, so you can set CPC. Once done, pick a realistic daily budget and schedule, and define audience parameters to generate stable delivery. Underpowered audiences create volatile CPC. Now proceed to the ad set level to access bidding controls. At the ad set, switch bidding from automatic to a manual strategy. Choose bid cap to control maximum CPC, cost cap to target average cost, or lowest cost with a cap for flexible delivery. Then enter your numeric bid, use CPC or an equivalent CPM-derived figure, because Facebook interprets it against auction dynamics. Make sure the optimization event matches your goal, such as purchase or link click, and pick standard delivery for steady pacing. After saving, create the ad and launch to start learning. Once ads are running, monitor CPC alongside CPA, CTR, and ROAS so you understand why costs move. If CPC is stable and profitable, scale by increasing budget in 10-20% steps and duplicate winning ad sets. If not, test new creatives or refine audiences. If CPC spikes, reduce your bid cap, broaden targeting to increase auction opportunities, or improve ad relevance scoring with clearer CTAs and imagery. Finally, reevaluate conversion tracking and attribution windows to ensure
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.